Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set a custom notification sound on your Samsung phone. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Now let's get started. As you might know, Samsung phones only allow you to set default notification sounds. But in this video, I'll show you how you can set your own custom notification sound that you've downloaded. Step 1. First, download the notification sound that you want to use. Step 2. Open the file manager on your phone and go to internal storage. Find the downloaded notification sound file, usually in the Downloads folder. Step 3. Once you've found the file, copy it. Step 4. Now go back to internal storage and look for a folder named Notifications. If you don't see it, you can create one with the name Notifications, with a capital N. Paste your copied sound file into this folder. At this point, 95% of the work is done. Step 5. Now open your phone's settings. Go to Sounds and Vibration, then tap on Notification Sound. Select the SIM card for which you want to set the notification sound, SIM 1 or SIM 2. Now you will see your custom notification sound listed there. Simply tap on it to set it as your default notification tone. And that's it! You're done. Your custom notification sound is now active.